The next way is to create a powerful lead magnet. It can be lead magnet for free or it can be lead magnet for $1. Now, $1 lead magnet will be way more powerful than the free one, because there are plenty of people who never ever plan to buy from you, but they want all the free content in the world. When they getting this free content, they never ever read it, never ever implement it, because the idea is to get free content. So therefore, if you create lead magnet and you can charge for that at least $1, good, do it. It's really, really powerful. So lead magnet is a very strong way to attract people, but you need to understand that this is the first content that people connect with you. Therefore, it has to be practical, it has to be packed with your wisdom, and people have to be so impressed with this little piece of content that then they're ready to buy from you. Now, a little piece of PDF will probably not lead people to buy from you like $1,000 product. But if you will create an elaborate training and then you will have different touch points such as call with a client, then you can build a rapport with your clients with the several touch point contents and minimize no's on your discovery calls. That's why lead magnet is definitely a powerful way to spread your information, become known as an expert in your niche, and also enjoy more yeses on your discovery calls.